Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. Today we're taking a look at this pre-owned 2020 Ford Fusion Hybrid Titanium. This Ford Fusion Titanium comes fully loaded. You've got intelligent access door handles, remote entry keypad, blind spot on the mirrors, memory seating, power window controls, leather interior with lumbar support for passenger and driver, interior lighting controls, and trunk release. This is a hybrid variant. Start it up. Quiet as can be. On the left here, you've got display and trip. This displays speedometer, power modes, my view, tire pressure, vehicle information, vehicle settings with driver's assist, blind spot, lane keep assist, rear park aid, and all the good features. On the right, you have your entertainment, phone, navigation, and fuel economy. Adaptive cruise controls on the steering wheel on the left. You've also got lane keep on the blinker back there. Media controls are on the right. Sync sound system with electronic climate control, navigation, 4G hotspot, satellite radio, and many other features. Climate controls are in the center here with heated and cooled seats for passenger and driver. You've also got heated steering wheel. Below that is two USB ports and a 12-volt outlet. Center console here, you've got your shifter, electric parking brake, eco mode, and hill assist, as well as two cup holders. Auto-dimming rearview mirror is up top here. You've also got a garage door opener and controls for your sunroof. It's right there. Coming onto the back of the Fusion Hybrid, you've got your spoiler up back here. Rearview camera is right above the license plate cover. Just located right there. Lots of trunk space in the back of the Fusion. Very generous for such a small, compact sedan. You can fit large bags, groceries, anything in here you may need to. Going into the back seat now. You do have leather seating in the rear for your rear passengers. It's very comfortable. Cubby in the front seat here. For storage, you've got two fans down there for climate control and a 12-volt outlet to charge any devices. Center console, you have a leather armrest that drops down with built-in cup holders. Up top, you have a dome light and grab handles on each corner of the roof of the Fusion. Very convenient for your passengers getting in and out. And we'll take a look up at the front. LED headlights and fog lights up front here. Chrome grille with perimeter sensors up top as well. All around a very fuel efficient friendly car, good for the environment, and a nice family car. Come on over to MacPhee Ford today to talk to a sales advisor about getting you into this Ford Fusion Hybrid Titanium. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.